That's so risky. Shout out to each every one of you. Guys, be the first one to bite. This is for you. Yumminess. How about hot chocolate? Be the first one to sip. Come on. Yumminess. First and foremost, thank you, Sir Dan of Pizza Hut Gateway Mall 2, for your kindness as always for giving me this complimentary pizza. Yumminess, guys. Guys, be aware, be a keen observer, be alert, be cautious of those people around you, and especially who doesn't know, who you doesn't know. Sorry, because I've seen a news on TV that there are still people who've been fooled by these bad people. Be aware of these gold diggers, scammers, swindlers, and those who are telling lies, because there's a lady, somebody asking for money from her. There's a strange call, and she doesn't know who's the one she doesn't know who's the one who's been talking with. The particular caller asked her a 37,000 pesos because his son and her daughter had an accident, and it's a matter of life and death, and if she doesn't give money, they will be put on jail. And she's been trembled, she's been panicking, so she sent money through I don't want to say the word because it's not a sponsor. She sent money, simple as that. And then afterwards, she found out that her daughter and his son are still alive. Guys, for you to avoid those kind of lying, you will be the first one to go there at the incident. Do not give the option that I heard the voices of my son and my daughter. Don't be the first. You should be the one to go there for you to find out if it is true or not. So please be aware, guys and girls, okay? Hold on. Yumminess. Sorry guys if I can talk that much because I'm some kind of hungry and starving. That's why I don't know what I'm gonna